Welcome to Comet. I am Gretel from Customer Success, and in this video, we will walk through the steps to configure direct-to-cloud storage for your Comet backups. Let's get started. The Comet Management Console manages all the users and endpoints. All backup and restore operations are carried out by the agent. With direct-to-cloud storage, backups are sent directly from the agent on the endpoint to the cloud storage. Restores also happen directly between the cloud storage and endpoint. Data does not pass through the management console. Virtually any S3-compatible storage option is supported by Comet. These can be configured either as a storage template or as a storage vault, and we will go through the steps on how to configure both later. First, let us cover how to set up a storage template, which would allow a user to automatically request storage vaults. A storage vault is the location where the backed up data can be stored. To set up a storage template, go to Settings in the Management Console. This is where you can create and manage storage templates. Click on Add to start. Then click on Type to select your provider from the drop-down of supported storage. If your storage type is not in this list, you can set them up as a storage vault, which we will cover later. In this video, we will set up a storage template for Comet Storage, which is our bundled storage offering through Wasabi. After selecting your storage provider, fill in the required information to configure your storage bucket. After providing the required information, click on Test Connection to authenticate your connection. Then click on Save. We now have a direct-to-cloud storage template. To make this the default storage template when creating storage vaults for new users, click on the storage template, and then click on Toggle Default. Click on Save before navigating away from your storage templates. Let us create a new user to see how a storage vault will be created from this storage template. I will just provide the required information to set up a user here. For more information on configuring users with Comet, please visit the links in the description below. There are several options for provisioning a storage vault from a storage template. The recommended mode is to have a storage vault automatically configured when a device is registered to the user, which ensures that each device is backing up to its own storage vault. Or you can have a storage vault configured as soon as the user is created. This is useful if you want to share a storage vault across devices registered on the same user profile. Otherwise, you can choose not to request a storage vault from your storage template, perhaps because your storage provider is not supported as a storage template. I will keep the recommended mode to ensure that each device is backing up to its own storage vault. You can configure multiple storage templates if you would like users to back up to different storage locations. You can select the storage template from which to request a storage vault for this user here. We have now created a user. I have just installed the Comet agent to an endpoint and have logged in with this user profile. My endpoint is now registered to this user. If we have a look at the Storage Vaults tab, we will see that a new storage vault has been generated from the storage template which we configured earlier. I can now set up backups on this device to be stored in this storage vault. If your storage provider is not supported as a storage template, you can set them up as a storage vault instead for direct-to-cloud backups. We will go through these steps next. In the user profile that you want to set up a storage vault for, go to the Storage Vaults tab and click on Add New Vault. Here, you have the option to request a new storage vault from the storage template. Just click on the storage template that you want to generate a new storage vault from. Here is our second storage vault from our storage template. Now, to configure a storage type that is not supported as a storage template, click on Add New Vault and click on Custom. There are some settings that can be configured here, like the storage vault can be renamed and the storage branding can be hidden from the user interface. A quota can also be applied to limit the amount of data that can be stored in the storage vault. After setting your customizations, go to the Storage tab and click on the plus sign. Some storage providers are readily configurable as a storage vault. If your storage provider cannot be found in this dropdown, you can choose the S3 compatible option here. Save your storage configuration here to create your storage vault. Those are the steps to configure direct-to-cloud backups with Comet. Check out our links below for more information and for guidance on how to set up specific supported S3 compatible storage with Comet. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.